Fantastic Four first step final trailer was here, and to be honest, I liked it. It is best among the previous teaser and trailer, and they were discussion about time. Different characters were talking about time with their dialogues, and we know there is a big game with time. Also, Franklin Richards was born, the son of Susan and Reed Richards. So yes, there are big things in the trailer. So let me build on it. Fantastic Four team was invited, and suddenly we see an alert on their watches, probably made by Reed Richards, and they get alert about some kind of danger. So our team goes and save the day. In the background, we see advertisement billboard about tan, don't burn, Cobaltone. It is about a sun lotion, and people were making joke with the thing Ben Grimm about it with Cobaltine thing of stuff. Also, in the background of Johnny Storm, we can see there were a big building, and throughout the trailer we see a big building. The time of movie was set around the 1940s, kind of. It is an old time, but because there is Reed Richards, he is a genius in Marvel comics and probably in the movie, so he helped the people to upgrade their lifestyles. Also, we can see in the place of the thing, there is a banner about the Halloween. It means the movie was set around the time of Halloween. Then we see our family in Baxter Building balcony, and the family was united for their dinner at Sunday 7 sharp. They meet, but suddenly they get an alert, and this time it's about Julia Garner's Shalabal. There was explosion on the sky, and she came. Shalabal was a female version of our Silver Surfer. In comics and movies, we see Ronan Red, who was a male Silver Surfer, but in the movie, we can see Shalabal as female. In the comics, the Shalabal was the lover of Ronan Red, our male Silver Surfer. Shalabal came and alerted the Earth and team that Galactus was coming, and she is herald of him. Also, we see the spaceship of Galactus, which is very humongous, to be honest. And also, we see our team went on his spaceship, and Julia Garner take them to it. And also, we see then the size of Galactus, which is very humongous, to be honest. And there is probably some kind of fight, and where Johnny was injured, and our team was trying to run out from his planet. And when the team was running from the planet, we can see their ship, and it wasn't that much clear, but it is similar to the ship we see on the post-credit scene of Thunderbolts. It means that's the same ship we see on the post-credit scene, and our team was coming on 616 universe in the end. In the next, we see our team came back on the Earth, probably after the fight of Galactus on his spaceship, and the media news reporters asked him, "Tell me what's happening. Are we safe?" Then Reed Richards said he don't know. It is probably yes, because Reed never fought with any kind of this big thing. Then it is a very interesting scene where we see first look of Franklin Richards, and Sul was holding him, and the time was past approximately more than 9 months, because in the last teaser trailer, the Franklin wasn't even born. The day when Shalabal came on the Earth, it is the day when Susan Storm and Reed Richards announced the pregnancy of Susan Storm. That means 9 months or a year was passed after the events of Galactus or Shalabal coming on the Earth. We can also see the beard of the thing was very grown in the end of the trailer, which says that the time was past. Then we see scenes where our family, Fantastic Four, was supporting in their family and trying to make things okay. Then also we can see that Galactus was in the city and destroying everything. Also, our team was fighting with him. Then we have a scene of Reed Richards and Susan Storm with their son Franklin Richards. Then there is a very interesting thing where there is a three towers, big towers. They were blasting and creating a single hole, a beam to the space, which is probably to stop Galactus coming on the Earth or this kind of stuff. And it is made by Reed Richards, as we know he's a genius. Trailer ends by a fight of our team with Galactus. Trailer was ended, but let's talk about our fan theories. So first thing was Shalabal was coming on the Earth, and she was herald of Galactus, and Galactus was here to usually eat planet. But this time we have a fan theory that Galactus wasn't here to eat Earth. He was here to capture Franklin Richards or kill him. Because in comics, the Franklin Richards was very powerful. He creates universes by just playing in his childhood. In the Secret Wars, he plays very important role in creation of new universes. And also, Galactus fear from Franklin Richards because he was too much powerful than Galactus. So that is why fans says or theories said that Galactus Thanos was here to kill Franklin Richards. So they will try to run from Earth to the main 616 universe as we see in the Thunderbolts trailer. So yes, this is a scene. So till now, this is my breakdown on complete final trailer. I would like to talk about more things in our next video. So yes, I tried to break down everything, but if I miss something, then comment on my comment section, and also like the video, subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. I'll meet you in another video with new theories on Fantastic Four and other stuff. So that's goodbye.